Ready when you are, CB. Do I start in Canada or Mexico?
We didn't do Animal Kingdom.
You really AK hate us?
Greetings, intergalactic travelers. The next station is Tomorrowland Urban Planning and Star Trek. Transfer to Green and Red Line. Don't worry, your express train keeps on rolling through the future. Right by two of my favorite spots. Now approaching Tomorrowland Transit Authority Station. My fellow sentient life forms, Peoplemover journey has nearly come full port. Thanks for riding with us. It's been a pleasure to have you aboard. And even though we conclude that this is always my favorite part, because now is the time, now is the best time to go out and explore tomorrow, today. See you in the future.